Yeah, them find him right on the side I go with some rubbish there. After I just dig up, you know. And I say, alright, they must say, magic man, move no man, cause some might grab it there. So I say, I'm after there, so, you know, so when we move now and go around on the next side now, we say him float up. So the little rubbish where we move, make him float up so somebody else can see him. You know what I say? So when them see him now, them help dry him out from the little rubbish park, like something, like having a wall. So the rubbish where we move now, make him rise up with them elbows up. You know what I say? So for them come up, so them have to go get more help, because most of them they go around so. So I just look a bit of people in here who could have dry him out, and them dry him out, and we say him there. So. Police they never do run the first time, you know, when they find him, you know. So the police don't run the right now. You know what I say? I don't know him because I feel it's right. Cause if I did my daughter or my son or anybody where, you know, I say, would have want somebody to come try help me find them to see them, you know. I feel it. Yeah, even if I did me, would have want somebody help try to find me. So I put it in myself and say, I grab my cutlass and I go there on the team too and say, I can help find. We are searched from 6 this morning till now.
I can't give him much. I'm doing a few man.
That's gonna be alright, my father. Yeah.
From 6 o'clock this morning. Apparently they were in the river and there was no water inside. The water just coming on sun from them based on what I'm here, but I weren't there, so I can't give a definitive report also. So willing person, he will go to the very extra mile to help people, and that's what causes life. You know. It's actually after he leave his work to go and assist, basically what someone I heard.
It is a type of youth that helpful. To the way I'm helpful, it come like say him can't say no. You get what I say? And it is a workful, him always a work and them thing that too. Me no know me, I work me there and my sister call me and just start ball. And me I say, Shanice, what happened? And then she start tell me say, Nashan wash her in a gully from about 3 o'clock. And same time I day I work, I tell them say, yo, I can't do no more work right now. Tomorrow before I come back to work, because something just go on a while ago and I have to leave now. You get what I say? I left my work, come over here. I no see no sight of Nashan, I see much people on the road. And them time it did get dark up. I'm go around in the gully, I walk, I look, can't see no sight of Nashan, no nothing. This morning now, one of my friend them father. This morning now, one of my friend them father say, him a go back.